boys.
And action, Jim. There we go. This is what I'm talking about.
Yep. That's right.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Today we're driving a Jeep Gladiator. We're at Wipeout Hill, climbing up and down it no problem, and really just showing that this truck is capable anywhere.
Oh yeah, I was fully both hands on each handle.
How these people react.
It just goes, doesn't it?
It was insane. I was white knuckling the whole time. It seems so fast. And like the corners, you're just getting sucked into the seat, just powering out, digging through the sand. The adrenaline for the whole thing was awesome.
Hell yeah, that was awesome.
I can feel my heart going pretty fast.
You have to be able to come out here and experience it to understand it.